Hello, viewers, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. Today, I want us to quickly design a senator pocket. It's very simple, it's straightforward. So, we are going to be using our gum stain, collar gum. Yeah, collar gum. Some call it interfacing collar gum. And then we're using these two pieces of materials for the design. My scissors, my biro. Yeah. So, and of course our hemming gum. I've already divided it so as not to waste our time dividing it because I need to be quite tiny. So let's quickly design the pocket we want to design out. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. Please subscribe. I'm here for you. If you don't subscribe now, I don't know. So please subscribe and like my videos. So let's start drawing the pocket we want to design. We'll not waste time. Let's quickly draw it. So if you have your pen, and your work tools, please let's quickly do this together. This is also ending here. All right, so now this is what I want you to pay attention. There is an allowance I'm going to shed out and consider it a waste. Please take note. So this allowance here, this allowance, I'm going to shed it. Just watch me. This allowance I'm shedding. This allowance I'm shedding. And you see, I'm leaving this, I'm shedding this. Just watch closely. This allowance I'm shedding, I'm going to cut it out. Can you see? This allowance I'm shedding, I'm going to cut it out. Yeah. Just watch closely. I'm going to cut that allowance out. So look at it. I'm going to cut it out. You see the allowance? I'm going to cut it out. See? I'm going to cut it out. So please pay attention as I do the cutting. Alright? So we're going to start from here. Look at it. I'm going to cut it out. You see I'm cutting it out. I'll do the same. Cut it out. We don't need it in our design. I'm going to cut all the way to the beginning point where we started drawing. Are you seeing what I'm doing? I'm going to cut it all the way to this point where we started. Yes? So you see? Watch carefully and watch the next line I'm going to cut out. The next I'm going to cut out is from here. Can you see? So I'm going to cut it out from here. Just watch closely. All the way to the end again. I already marked it, so just cut it. This is very simple. Don't get twisted. Don't get confused. Don't get lost. It is quite simple. See? We're almost there. See, so it has finally gone out, and look what we have remaining here. Can we see? So I've removed that allowance that we had there. The one we marked. Look at it. I've removed it. Now we have this remaining for us to use and design our pocket. So this is our pocket. Like I said, I've already cut it out. I don't want to waste our time, so I've already cut my pocket out as well, and my pocket has a wideness of 4.5 inches. My pocket has a wideness of 4.5 inches. I've already cut it out so as not to waste our time. So we are going to now we're going to gum this design on this fabric. We're going to use the bad side of the fabric to gum our design. The bad side of the fabric, we're going to use it to gum our design. So you see, this is the good side. Yes. So this is the bad side. I'm going to use the bad side to gum our fabric. So we need to hit our iron very well. Please allow it to relax while you gum it. Like to relax while you gum it. Gum it very well. Then make sure your iron is hot. Be careful not to allow it to shake, because once it shakes, it will no longer take the original shape, and you will not have the expected result again. So please don't let it shake. Don't let it shake at all. Alright, so you make sure you gum it very well. Make sure it is gummed very well. So after gumming it, the next thing for us to do is to reduce this allowance by the side. Can you see what I'm doing? Reduce allowance by the side, just like we did when now when you get here, you're going to cut in the center of this allowance. We're going to be cutting in the center. In the center. Please be very careful. Cut in the center of the allowance. Cut in the center of the allowance. Can you see this? Cutting in the center of the allowance. So up here, I'm simply going to trim this out. Yeah. So the next thing we are going to do now is to make just little notch on this, just little, not much, just little, to aid you to allow you to gum it easily, to fold it, because we are folding it inwards. So if you don't notch, you might not really give you what you want. So please notch it. We'll soon be done with our design. Yeah. Make sure you notch it. You notch it all around. Yes. So after you finish notching, now let's finally finish our pocket. We're going to use our hemming gun to hem this allowance, and we are done. So you see, design we want. The next thing we're going to do before we come back to that design is to gum our pocket. So this is our pocket. This is the boots of the fabric. So we gum. This is our side of collar gum that has gum. We now gum it to this. Yes, very important. Let's do this very fast and get done with these pockets. So I'm going to gum our pockets. Let's hem the sides. Use our hemming gum to hem the sides. Yes, we're done hemming our pockets. Yeah, so what next? It's time for us to bring our design and place it on our pockets and finish it up. Let's make sure we get the shape. So wow, see what we have here? I will see this. Can we see what I am seeing? See? So all we need to do is to use our hemming gum to gum it. For you to sew after hemming. See? So we'll gum this part here. That excess part there. See? And there we go. We have our pocket. So you just need to go on machine and sew the edges. Sew the edges, sew the edges, sew the edges, and you are done. So if you like this video, come on, hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, because more and more interesting videos will be coming your way. And also like the video. Yeah, so you see our pocket is done. So like I said, you can simply use your machine to sew the edges round, and we are done with our pocket. So thank you so much. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world, and expect much more interesting videos from me like this. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub.